how to find millage on Doordash app. Now, first things first, you'll need to download a third-party application for this to work. So the ones that you'll be downloading should be in partnership with Doordash, which is going to be Everlands. So head over to your Google Play Store or any app store and then just simply download and install Everlands. Once you have successfully downloaded this, all you have to do next is just by simply linking your Doordash account into Everlands, and then you can go ahead and activate it real time once you're doing your delivery. So this is what it should look like if you downloaded it via the Google Play Store or any app store. So go to this Dasher exclusive link, get the Everlands, sign up, log in, link your account, and then you just have to input your payment information along with the promo code EverDash. So that is how you find Millage and DoorDash app.